for joining me in my SAP S/4HANA training. Please hit like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. We will review display general data information in SE16 and we will be reviewing FDOCA table, which is the new universal journal entry. This replaced uh, a number of data tables, which include BSIS for GL accounts, BSAS for GL accounts cleared items, BSID for customers, BS80 for customers cleared items, BSIK for vendors, BSIM for documents for materials, and includes PagFlexa, the general ledger line items, and ANEP for fixed asset line items, ANEA for fixed assets. So let's go down to the details. If you want to see more of technical details, you may right mouse click in the details and choose technical view on. You must maximize your window to see the other technical details. In here, you can see the data type, so characters and numeric. And here, you can see the internal number length and the output number length. So normally we use the output number length. So let me minimize my window again. And before you generate your transaction, you can check the number of records by clicking number of entries. Right now, ACDOCA have 6,579. We will only generate the related records under my company code. So in here we have from value and to value. So you can put a range and then you can also click here for multiple selections. This can be from value to value for a range and can be different values. Okay, so you can click check after doing that. I'll be selecting only my company code, which is TUK2. And now I can click again the number of entries and it will only generate 18 records. So let's execute this. So right now all the fields or columns are shown. We can filter the or remove or add columns here at this icon, choose layout, and then change layout. As you can see, all of the columns or fields has been selected except for client. So we can remove the columns by clicking the column that you don't like to be shown and clicking the right button, select hide, select fields. Okay. And if you want first all of the columns to be hidden and select only a few, click here at the right side to select the whole row. And then in your keyboard, hold and hold the shift, hold the shift button, and then hide, click the hide selected fields. So all the fields will be hidden and now you can select specific fields. Okay. By clicking here, show selected fields. So you can also put it back by clicking one of the fields and going down. Click your shift and hold it, and then click the last record or field and then show the selected field. Okay, you can also sort, choose a sort order, and you can filter also here. Once you select a filter, like let's find documents. Okay, document reference. Click check or enter to go to the next search. Check for next search. Check for next search. Check for next search and click X if you have already found your uh, field that you want for the filter. We'll be choosing this one, document type, and then add filter. So here we can define the values. Click here and then search. So right now only RFBU value is available for our transactions. Select this value, click check or hit enter, and then click check, and then that will filter your records. So let's remove the filter by clicking this one and then click check. We can also have the filter here. It's the same. So set filter. Although the other tabs are not available in here, but the filter here is the same where we have we have chosen the columns earlier. So here we have also the search, and then we can find the document. So again, we can click check or hit enter until we get to the field that we want to filter. Let's see, service document. That's the last part. Okay, let's try document number just to show how we can how the filter works. Or document date. That's it. Let's choose this one and then set or define values. And then here, oh, clearing date. There's no specific clearing date. Let's remove the clearing date. Define the document date. This document item. So let's choose April 1, then select this filter. So only records in April 1 will be shown. Okay. If you want to remove the blank columns, just click this icon. So all the blank columns will be hidden. We can also export our record here in spreadsheet, Word file, or local file. You can choose a type in the local file. You can also download an HTML format. So let's choose spreadsheet, and then you can change the file name and format. Let's export it. Once it is exported,